Summer has arrived and your clients are looking for relief from frizz season. Keep watching today's video to get a full demonstration on how to use the Keratin Tropic on your curly-haired clients this summer. This is the before. For clients looking for a long-term solution that offers faster heat styling with 100% frizz reduction, the Keratin Tropic is an ideal option. Let's begin. Step 1. Clarify your client's hair 3 times. We begin by using the Lasio Hypersilk Clarifying Shampoo. Now, pro stylists in the audience, we wouldn't recommend using another brand for this process. The Lasio Hypersilk Clarifying Shampoo was uniquely designed for our keratin treatment process, made to open up the follicles so that it can safely receive all of the smoothening, strengthening, and heat-activated K-bond benefits. After triple clarifying, blow dry the client's hair to 100%. Once your client's hair is bone dry, it's ready to take the keratin formula. Separate the client's hair according to wherever they part. Then begin at the nape of the neck in 1 inch to 1/2 inch sections, depending on the density of your client's hair. When spraying the formula, make sure to massage and comb the formula through the hair. The goal is to get traction between every follicle to make sure that it's fully penetrating each strand. For this process, we recommend using a fine-tooth comb. However, if you find it easier to massage the product in first and then comb, that's also okay. Your curly-haired clients need to be detangled in order to properly receive the treatment. When applying the treatment towards the face frame, notice the difference in application. You want to spray and comb backward away from the face. This is a great method for targeting those pesky underside baby hairs that are hard to reach and prone to frizz the most, while also creating traction between each and every follicle. After 100% saturation with the Keratin Tropic formula, blow dry the hair on low-medium heat to 100%. Don't proceed to the next step without the hair being 100% bone dry to the touch. When you're ready, grab your heat-proof comb and Lasio ceramic plated flat iron. Crank the temperature up to 450. We're about to seal the treatment. Begin at the nape of the neck, flat ironing 1 inch to 1/2 inch subsections, doing 7 passes at the root, 7 passes at the midshaft, and 7 passes at the end. This process is activating the keratin treatment in real time. A special pro tip, by the way. Make sure to hold your client's hair at the root at a 90-degree angle when hitting it with the flat iron. This effectively activates the keratin treatment in some of the hardest to reach areas. And just like that, in 90 minutes, the process should be complete. Time for the grand reveal and some aftercare instructions for your client.
Oh, I love it.
Make sure to teach them the do's and don'ts, like avoiding sodium chloride in their shampoos and conditioners, washing their hair within 24 hours of their service. Avoid heavy oils like castor to maximize the length of the treatment, and if you need to clarify, use tea tree shampoo. If you take care of your keratin treatment, it will take care of you. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you made it to the end of this video and you still have some questions, go see our EDU tab on the Lasio Pro side of our website. All you have to do is make an account. When you visit our website, you can become a Lasio official pro. Receive your official Lasio certificate. And because we subscribe to the belief that education makes the world a better place, we offer it 100% for free online once a month. Never miss one by signing up for texts and emails. Like, subscribe, and follow us everywhere. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next educational video. Bye, guys.